Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this Desi and authentic Odia dish, Chhatu Poda or roasted mushrooms. This goes perfectly well with Pakhala. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आप रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिए चाहते देन तले थे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. So to start with the recipe, first take 15 to 17 cloves of garlic and 2 green chillies. Crush them well. Now transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a kadai. Flame should be high at all times in this recipe. Add half teaspoon of Panchforan and let it splutter. And then add 500 grams of button mushrooms chopped like this. And then add 1 small onion chopped and 3/4 of the crushed garlic and green chilies. Keep the remaining aside, we'll use it later. Mix it well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a mix. And now let it cook. Water starts releasing from the mushrooms. Keep mixing it time to time. Our mushroom has released water completely. Cook till all the water evaporates. There is only a little water left now. Now add salt according to taste. And the remaining crushed garlic and green chilies. Give it a good mix and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let it rest and cook for 1 minute. Add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. Our Chhatu Poda or roasted mushrooms is ready now. Serve it hot with Pakhala or water soaked rice. This is perfect for a summer treat. So do try this out yourselves and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.